Hello, my name is Zhana Litvinenko. I give permission to the company Harland Limited and the project Pound Assistant to post this video in all social media, YouTube, Instagram, for training and monitoring purposes and provide for clients. I'm 22 years old and I live in Cherkasy. I graduated from the Bogdan Khmelnytsky University of Cherkasy, where I majored in information technologies. Now I am a quality assurance engineer. Coming to my skills, I have a strong knowledge in the testing theory, such as layout testing, functional testing, non-functional testing, the test design techniques. Also, I have a strong knowledge in the writing of testing documentation, such as bug reports, test cases, checklists, and test plans. I did the website testing, the mobile testing, and the game testing too. Also, I had experience with the cross-browser testing in the next browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. I used Jira, TestRail, Figma, and Git. I understand the SDLC process and the agile methodologies. I have basic knowledge of the client-server architecture, HTML, CSS, SQL, C Sharp, and Java. I have finished the QA Test Lab, the Fundamentals of Software Testing course, and I have the certificate on my LinkedIn profile. Also, I have finished the QA test drive from Dan AD School and the QA marathon from the Go IT School. I have gained a lot of practice during these all courses. This is the second part of the video, the testing part, and I'm gonna check this website from the main page and the other page then. And first of all, I see that the U letter is missed in the outsourcing word, and clicking on this word, the main page is updated. Головна button, the main page is updated, and from the other page is Головна page is opened. Okay, and this the outsourcing, the main page is opened. I don't like that style of this label is changed, but I don't have the requirements. Then the послуги drop down. The послуги drop down. These two labels are overlapped by the scroll bar. It is a bug. The next one, зв'яжіться з нами блок. I don't see the phone number, but I see the placeholder text, and it is a bug. Повний спектр послуг блок Ukrainian language does not have the підходящий word, but it has the необхідний, потрібний, відповідний, підхожий words. Підходящий is the Russian word. The next, відправте нам запит блок. I don't like the dot in this subtitle, and I think that subtitles should not contain the dot, but I don't have the requirements, and if the designers will decide that the subtitles should contain the dots, the dot should be in this block, and this is another block теж too. The next, відправити button. The page is scrolled up after clicking on this button. This is a wrong action of this button. Наші послуги блок. I don't like the size of this text, but I don't have the requirements again. Розвиватися в 6 областях. And I see the 9 directions. And this is a bug, I think. IT consulting. is written without hyphen. Here it is with hyphen, and in this place it is without them, without it. Okay, the детальніше button. The page is scrolled up, scrolled up, scrolled up. I think that the detail info should be opened. Наша миссия text. I don't like the styling of this button or of this text and the size of this text, but I don't know how the design looks like, and I can't say that it is the bug. Ми любимо те, що робимо. Here it should be досягти видатних результатів. The dot, the same problem. It shouldn't be there, or it should be in the end of this sentence and these sentences too. Okay, this button, the page is scrolled up. The alignment of this text I don't like. I think that all text all text like this should has the with alignment, but it has the right angle alignment, left angle alignment. Okay. The IT consultant without hyphen again, and here наша команда створює всі умови. Наша команда створює всі умови, or члени нашої команди створюють всі умови. It is the spelling mistake. The next. Виключно конфіденційно і за індивідуальних переваг, виключно конфіденційно і по індивідуальних перевагах. The one of these two should be there. The next. В ході розробки, впровадження або виконання додаткових пунктів. Or в ході розробки, впровадження або при виконанні додаткових пунктів. It is the mistake too. And then контактна інформація блок, the comma is unnecessary. This is the mistake. The click on the phone number, the page is scrolled up. Again and again. This is 3 mistakes. The next послуги page. I don't like the colors of the page and the header. This transition is weird, and the different styling of the outsourcing label. But I don't have the Figma with design or requirements, and I don't know how it should look like. The list of the services. I think that it should contain the links, but it is not. But I don't have the requirements, and maybe it should be like that. The IT consulting page. Дізнатися детальніше button is scroll the page up. Uправлінський consulting. The pictures aren't displayed. All pictures of this page aren't displayed. And this is a bug. And I don't like this size of the letters. Так. Детальніше. The page is scrolled up again. All this детальніше button. Продажі page. Дізнатися детальніше. The page is scrolled up. The page is scrolled up. The page is scrolled up again. The page is scrolled up. The підготовка is with a lowercase, but